Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for November. This month's theme is Royal Treatment and the bags are different colors. Let's go ahead and unbox them. This month's Glam Bag is Emerald. Let's open it up and see what we have inside. We have the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Hair Mask, Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser, Kinship Mint Mud Deep Pore Detox Mask, Sophia and Mabelle Tinted Lip Oil in Jellyfish, and the Camelina and Strobe Luminizing Primer. The Glam Bag Plus is royal blue with gold detailing. Let's see what we have inside. We have the Kitsch Scrunchies, Able Skincare Ultra Collagen Eye Rescue Therapy, the Nomad Cosmetics Venice-Simplon Express Eyeshadow Palette, Thrive Causemetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, and the Makiage Dirty Talk Matte Lipstick in the shade Ariadna. Along with the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus this month, Ipsy also sent over a few extra goodies, so I'm super thankful for that. They sent me the shampoo and conditioner and razor set from their sister brand Refreshments. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products. I really love the Kitsch Scrunchies, so I'm going to go ahead and throw my hair up in a bun. Now I'm starting on skincare and cleansing with the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser. It has a really cool jelly-like consistency. This is very highly rated and is supposed to be good for all skin types. My skin feels clean but also hydrated. Next I'm applying the Kinship Mint Mud Deep Pore Detox Mask. The color is really vibrant. Like every other mud mask, this is supposed to unclog your pores. It's tingling a little too much for my liking, so I'm going to go ahead and remove it right away. Now I'm adding the Able Skincare Ultra Collagen Eye Rescue Therapy underneath my eyes. This is $116, so I really hope it's good. Now I'm priming my face with the Camelina and Strobe Luminizing Primer. This is supposed to help skin achieve a silky radiance and brightness. It doesn't say anything about lengthening the wear time of makeup, just that it luminizes the skin, and I love a good luminizing primer, but I also want my foundation to really stick and last all day. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Nomad Cosmetics Venice-Simplon Express Eyeshadow Palette. Let's swatch a few shades. Wow, that is extremely pigmented and buttery smooth. First, I'm picking up the dark brown shade called Nightcap. I'm applying this all over the lid. Next, I'm grabbing the light brown shade called Baby Grand. I'm applying this right along the upper edge of the dark brown. After that, I'm dipping my brush into the blue shade called Bon Voyage. I'm adding this to the bottom lash line. Next, I'm applying the foil shade called Venice. I'm applying this to the inner corner. Finally, I'm adding the shimmery gold shade called Istanbul, making that inner corner a little more gold. After that, I'm applying the Thrive Causemetics Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. This is a tubing mascara, which is kind of funny because we just received one in the BoxyCharm this month, and I can already tell that this one is working way better. It's lifting my lashes and curling them in the process, and it's also coating them really well so they're not clumpy at all. Finally, we have the Makiage Dirty Talk Matte Lipstick in the shade Ariadna. The texture and pattern on this is really neat. I am honestly so impressed with this lipstick. It went on so smooth and buttery. It's very matte, and it was just so easy to create a very precise line. Here's the finished look using products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for November. This month definitely had its highs and its lows. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.